So hi, so this is our MPPT charging module with the capacity of 12 volts 5 amp, or you can say 60 watts. It can monitor as well as charge batteries that as I said have a capacity of 12 volts 5 amps uh, using solar power. So the heart of the system is an ESP32 Vroom module, which is pretty cheap, 200 to 300 rupees. Then an I2C LCD, two current sensors for respective purposes of measuring the load current as well as measuring the input current for diagnostics, etc. Then we have two MOSFETs which are driven by two transistors which are driven by ESP32 which sends an PWM signal so that we can switch rapidly and efficiently charge the battery and also discharge it. This is an contact temperature sensor which will be used to monitor the battery temperatures to ensure that we do not damage the battery itself. So from the start, how it will work is that you have an solar input, positive, negative. It will enter the system with, I'll remove the USB cables for now, with this diode, and then another diode, and in between we'll have an voltage divider as well as an current sensor to measure current and as well as the voltage which we are getting. It will be an input voltage and input current. So then we will show those diagnostics here at in the LCD itself, and then if the battery is connected, battery's port is this, and then this is the load port where we will connect load for our devices, our use case. We also have an protection circuit, which is this fuse. So if we have a surge current which or you get the idea, right? So this is the whole circuit. So if I power this on right now, remove this module if you are powering it via USB, or you may accidentally burn it. Okay, as you can see, the battery is showing charge. The battery is showing charge. This is not the same module we are using here, because you can see the camera is not focusing right now. We have VCC output and GND. However, here we have GND GND output ground, so they are kind of mismatch. Also it is burned. So now what is happening is we are monitoring what's coming as well as what is the battery power, as well as if we have an output or not. If we don't have output and the battery is low power, or it doesn't have that much power, it will charge it. You get the idea. So what I will do now is I will connect the power to my makeshift power here, give it some time, and you can see we have 13 volts and 0 ampere. So as you know, electricity is like ampere is nothing but the flow of flow of current. I assume that. So we are getting 0 because current is not moving anywhere from one potential to other, but we have voltage as well as the real time temperature. So if I start this solder, you will see that 33 degrees move up. Give it some time to heat up, and you can see that is going 34 and then 35. Here 35, 36. So it is working, as well as the web dashboard. So this is the web dashboard. As you can see, I just turned off the solar voltage, so it is going 0 with current being 0. Load and current is for solar, and the power is for battery and all. If I turn on the solar power, you can see the jump, and after some time it will automatically show those little bumps, as well as what is going on, the energy, how many energy we have, the battery temperature, PWM duty. Charge stage 1 means it is on full charging mode, as well as bulk charge and float charge. These are some things that I mentioned so that we don't go boom. And give it some time. Here pretty cool. Thank you, that's all.